Depositing a check at an ATM is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. To begin, make sure you have a valid checking or savings account with a bank that offers ATM deposit services. First, locate an ATM that accepts check deposits and is affiliated with your bank. Once you find a suitable ATM, insert your debit card or credit card to initiate the transaction. Enter your personal identification number to access your account. Next, select the deposit option from the menu and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. The ATM will prompt you to insert the check into the designated slot. Ensure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and includes any additional required information, such as your account number. Carefully insert the check into the ATM, following the on-screen instructions for correct alignment and orientation. The ATM will then scan the check and verify the amount. Review the deposit details to ensure accuracy and confirm the transaction. After confirming the deposit, the ATM will provide a receipt that includes the deposit amount, account balance, and transaction reference number. It is essential to keep this receipt for your records and to verify the deposit in your account statement. To avoid any issues, ensure the check is properly filled out, signed, and dated, and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any potential fees. It is also a good idea to verify with your bank the maximum deposit limit and any specific requirements for ATM check deposits. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently deposit a check at an ATM and manage your finances with ease. Remember to always review your account statements and transaction history to ensure accuracy and detect any potential errors. Depositing a check at an ATM is a secure and convenient way to manage your finances. And by being informed and prepared, you can make the most of this service.